what I'm doing. So I combed out the ends because I want my ends to still have like a little curl to it. So I'm about to go through and just oil and moisturize my hair. It's separated. I got out the shower. It's kind of damp, but I'm gonna spray some more water on it and then some other little stuff to just, you know, tend to the ends and moisturize my hair. Separating each lock and just going through each lock and moisturizing it. So now I'm at starting with the back. As you can see, like the ends are kind of fuzzy, well bushy, because I kind of like comb the ends out because, like I said, I want the ends to be still curly. But yeah, so I know I haven't recorded anything lately for my Loc Journey. Haven't done any videos, but I do a lot of videos like on my TikTok. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to do today. But anywho, you can follow my TikTok at is ZGTAZ8 is ZGTAZ, and the number 8, because you know 8 is our number. But yeah. But if not, you can stay here on the YouTube channel, boo, and follow me, my journey, a Loc Journey. Started off with micro locks, but then I ended up doing them a little bit bigger because I just felt like that's what I wanted. You know, micro locks are cool, but I think these are what I want. These are me, okay? And I'm doing everything by myself. I'm self-maintaining them. So yeah, I'm not a professional. I still gotta do the tops, like comb out the ends and stuff like that. But I'm not a professional, so you know, don't hold me to none of this. It's like I said, this is my Loc Journey, and I'm gonna, you know, do what I see is fit. And if I fuck up, I fuck up. But you know what I'm saying? It's just here, it'll go back. But anywho, all right. Let me get to work, okay? It's me. Hey, it's your girl Taz, and I am coming to y'all with a little just update on my Loc Journey and what I'm about to do to my hair right now. So yeah, so I've been on this Loc Journey since February of 2022. So I got, let me see, it was the end of February, so let's say March, October. So I'm like almost really 8, because it's like the end of February. Almost 8 months now. But anywho, so I first started off with micro locks, but then I ended up making them bigger. So yeah, because I wanted them a little bit bigger. But anywho, so I'm not gonna hold y'all, but what I'm about to do is I'm just about to just go through and just moisturize my hair and oil it, and then oil the ends. So I kind of like combed out the ends because I wanted the ends to be still in this curly state, and not all the way locked to the ends. So yeah, but anywho, so today I will be using my little ttyl concoction, which is black seed oil, a little bit of like sea breeze, some water, eucalyptus tea tree, and I think some jojoba oil. Yeah, however you pronounce it. But anywho, so I'm gonna spray my hair with this, and to get it nice and moisturized and wet. And then I'm gonna go through my parts with a little bit of this island oil from Jamaican mango and lime, and I'm gonna go through, put a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I know some people are against this, but yeah, I especially do it for my roots and the ends. So I might as well go ahead and do it for the whole lock. But anywho, but not a lot. And And as I go through, I'm going to just go through with the little lock and wax. I'm not doing a retwist. I'm just going to go through and just, you know, so I'm really not doing a retwist. I'm just moisturizing. And then I got the locking gel, which I'm only going to probably use around the edges or whatever, but we'll see. And my trusted shea butter, just in case, you know, I feel like it ain't moisturized enough. I can just go through with a little bit of shea butter. A little bit of shea butter don't ever hurt nobody, okay? Shea butter, baby. But anywho, so let me get to work and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my last section. And, oh, here we go. I'm on my last section in the back. This one more. And add the oil. Like I did, like I bend on. Alright, and here we go. Like I said, I don't really care about the parting. I just want to make sure that the lock is saturated so it can be moisturized. That little curl. Nice and moisturized. Yes, the strength is definitely real. Alright, so that's the back is done. The back is done, y'all. The back is done. The back is done. I'm gonna just leave that there. Leave it there. And I'm gonna work my way on around to the front. All right, be back. All right, y'all, so I am finally on my last little section. And yeah, like I said, this was not a retwist. This was just moisturizing the hair from root to the ending. And like I said, I combed out most of my ends here. And all them little balls of dirt, lint, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so there you have it. So I'm going to slowly put a hair dry for a minute because my hair is still damp because I'm going out tonight. So happy. So, but anywho, this moisturize. Afterwards, this is how I came out. I pinned it up because I think I'm going to go to the spa tomorrow. So, but anyway, peace.